Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by readying the orb and your landing spot. Place the orb in your hand and verify its charge. Low power reduces range and effects. Once done, scan the island for clear anchor points and avoid crowded objects that block placement. Make sure you have an open inventory slot so the system can accept rewards or linked items. Now equip the orb to your hotbar slot 1 or 2 so you can act quickly when initiating the binding sequence. You now bind the orb to the island by moving within close proximity of your anchor point. Position yourself 2 to 3 meters from the target and hold the use button. Sustaining the action for about 1.5 to 2 seconds initiates synchronization. Pay attention to tether visuals and the binding icon. These confirm a successful handshake between orb and island. If the icon doesn't appear, release and try again while adjusting angle or distance. Small offsets often fix failed sync attempts. You finish by locking in permissions and testing the orb's functions so the link is reliable. Set duration and access permissions, then perform a quick trial. Summon to the island, recall to your location, and deposit a test item to confirm storage. If anything goes wrong, use one key troubleshooting tip. Recharge the orb fully, clear nearby blocks that might interfere, log out and back in, then repeat the binding. This sequence resolves most binding glitches and keeps your orb stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.